help us today?
Look, I know Philippine basketball well, and I know that incident was just one incident, and that's not who Filipino basketball is. You know, that's not Australian basketball. I think it's fine between the two countries. It's great to come over. We've been treated extremely well since we've been here, so we have no problems at all. On the Filipino team? Look, they're a very well-coached team. They run some very good sets. They got some guys that can shoot the ball. And Andre Blacks is an extremely good player, so they'll have to play off of him. And hopefully find some guys around him that can shoot the ball and knock some shots down. But look, it's going to be a tough task against Serbia and some of those teams. But all they can do is do the best they can play.
Andre Blacks seemed to have been very impressive to you. Any other guys that stand out?
I don't know their names, but it's
numbers, perhaps?
Yeah, number 16. I think he's a very good shooter. Number 7 is a very good shooter. I like what number 12 does around the basket. He's very active around the basket as well. And then I think it was number 4, the guy with the headband that played. Very smart. He's extremely smart. He can shoot the ball very well. So they're going to need those guys to shoot the ball at a high clip to make it good for the World Cup.
Coming here, Coach, you said you wanted to help this squad to prepare also for the World Cup. What is this opportunity mean to you guys?
It's great for us. I mean, it's a great bonding exercise for us to come, to here to the Philippines. We've only had maybe 2 or 3 players that's been here before. Just to see Filipino basketball and how passionate you guys are about basketball. That's what, if I can take your passion and put in each one of these guys, we'd be very good.